Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: the Jio Esim QR, ID details, and a working data connection so the phone can fetch the profile. Make sure your Android is compatible and unlocked. This avoids install failures. Once done, go into Settings, then Network and Internet, and choose Mobile Network. Tap Add Carrier to start the QR scan flow. I explain how the device downloads a profile and why permissions and connectivity matter. Without them, the eSIM can't be provisioned to your device. After scanning the QR, you'll see an Add Carrier confirmation. Accept it to let Android install the eSIM profile. Configure labels so you can identify Jio as your data or call SIM, and set your preferred SIM for mobile data in dual SIM phones. The phone may request a restart of network services. Do that to finalize provisioning. I describe why labeling and default settings matter. They prevent accidental use of the wrong SIM and ensure apps use the intended mobile data. To finish, confirm the eSIM shows active and that your Jio service sent an activation SMS. Check settings for the installed profile and matching IMEI if requested. If you don't see signal, toggle airplane mode briefly, reboot the phone, and if needed, remove and re-add the eSIM using the QR. These steps clear temporary network or provisioning locks. If that still fails, contact Jio support with your activation ID so they can re-trigger provisioning. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.